Hello guys, welcome to Elite Minds, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys a complete step-by-step tutorial on how to go about the shell protocol testnet and be eligible for the potential airdrop. Alright, so make sure you have MetaMask already installed on your PC because that's what we'll be using. Alright, so after doing that, the next thing you have to do is to log on to this website, chainlist.org, as you can see here on my screen. Log on to this website, chainlist.org, and head over to testnet here. You have to turn this on, okay? So you can see it's off, but you turn it on. Now after turning it on, the next thing you have to do is to search for Rinkeby. You have to search for this. Once you search, it will automatically pop up, and you go down to Arbitrum. The one on Arbitrum, this is what we'll be using, okay? So you connect your wallet. Mine is already connected, so you connect your wallet and you add it to your MetaMask. Okay, you have to add it to your MetaMask because we'll be needing it in course of this video. All right, so after doing that, you've successfully connected. Now you have to note something. The Rinkeby test network and Arbitrum are two different networks. Okay, as you can see here, this and this are two different things. Okay, this and these are two different things, so take notes, and we'll be using the both of them for this video. All right, now after doing this, you head over to your MetaMask and you have to turn it on. You have to turn one of them on because one of them by default is just hidden. So once you've done that, you click on this Arbitrum here, you scroll down and you click on show hide test network, and you have to turn this on. By default this is off, so you have to turn it on your MetaMask. All right, so once you've done that, you then head to rinkebyfaucet.com. Now what you'll be doing here, first you have to create an account. Okay, once you create an account, then you can request for ETH. Okay, as you can see, I've received mine already. So you can see here on my screen, I've received mine, so you have to do yours also. All right, so what you have to do is you copy your MetaMask wallet address or your ETH address, you copy it, paste it here, and 0.5 Rinkeby ETH will be sent directly to that wallet for you to use and test this shell protocol. All right, it's a test net, so you are not paying anything. It's just to test and be eligible for the airdrop. All right, now after doing that, you go to your MetaMask and make sure you are on this network. Now what you have to do is to come here, click on your MetaMask. When you click on it, you just have to make sure you are on this. So you have to switch this network to this. You scroll down and you have to switch to this network. Okay, so as you can see, I've received my 0.45 before now, and I've done some transactions, so this is what is left on my wallet. Okay, so let's head over to the next step. All right, now the next step is you log on to bridge.arbitrum.io. You head on to bridge, so you can see it's here, bridge.arbitrum.io. so this site. Okay, then you click on connect MetaMask, you connect your wallet. Once you connect your wallet, now what you have to do here is to bridge Rinkeby to Arbitrum Rinkeby. Now remember, the faucet gave you only 0.5 earlier on. Now make sure you bridge all your 0.5 ETH to Arbitrum. Okay, once you've connected to Arbitrum, once you connected to this Rinkeby, the ETH, the 0.5 will be reflecting here on your balance. It will reflect 0.5 here. So what you have to do is to click on max. Once you click on max, you see this is going to pop up and you move funds. I've done mine, so I can't do it anymore. I'm just doing it for the course of this video. So once you click on max, you'll be able to move your funds to Arbitrum. Remember, it was formerly in ETH. Yeah, okay, so now we are bridging from ETH to Arbitrum. All right, and note this is going to take about, let's say, maximum 10 minutes. Okay, and you'll be done with bridging. All right, so once you finish bridging, now you have to go back to your MetaMask. You have to head back to your MetaMask. Okay, head back to your MetaMask, and you have to switch the network back to Arbitrum. Now we'll switch network back to Arbitrum. Okay, now once we switch network, what we have to do next is to go to alpha-testnet.shellprotocol.io. So you click on alpha. So you can see it's already on my PC because I've done it. So you click on alpha-testnet.shellprotocol.io. As you can see, I've already switched my network to the Arbitrum already. So this is just how it works. So once you've done that, make sure you are on Arbitrum already. All right, just make sure you're on Arbitrum. So you can see mine is already on Arbitrum, but make sure yours is also on Arbitrum. All right, so now this is where the work begins. Now what we'll have to do here, first step, what we'll have to do here now, after searching and connecting your wallet, which mine is already connected, make sure you switch your MetaMask to Arbitrum as mentioned earlier. Then after that, click on faucet. Now as you can see here, this is it, faucet. You click on this. When you click on faucet, this is what is going to appear. This, as you can see, I've claimed all my tokens, so it's just showing me revoke because I've already done this before. It's just showing me to revoke. All right, so you will see claim tokens here on your own. You see claim token, you see claim DAI, claim USDT, claim USDC. Okay, so you have to claim the 3 of them. So once you've done claiming them, now you click on shell points. You click on shell points. All right, so once you click on shell points, you wait for it to load. You just scroll down a little and you will see what you need to do to get points and qualify for the airdrop. So you can see I've already done my, that's why you're seeing my shell points since 1796. So you see what you have to do here. Okay, so this is mine. Once you click on shell points, next thing you have to do is to carry out the task that will be shown on your screen after you've claimed your tokens. All right, so after doing that, now you have to go to trade and make sure you swap all these tokens below. You head on to trade. Now you have to swap DAI. You have to swap each of these. You can start with this, swap this to this, swap this to this, swap USDT to SHUSDT, swap DAI to this, just like that. It's quite easy. All right, you swap this to this, DAI to DAI, USDT to USDT, USDC to USDT, just like that. All right, it's quite easy. So after you've done that, you just confirm transaction. It will reflect below here. All right, so you just confirm transaction, and that is all. Then after doing that, next thing or the next step for you is click on the arrow below. You see an arrow here below. If you're on trade, you see an arrow here below. Okay, just this. Now when you click on this, you will see this provide liquidity. So you have to click on this. Okay, now when you click on this is what is going to appear on your screen, which is this. So you click on select LP token. You click on select LP token because you want to provide liquidity. I've done mine already. I've done all this before. So you just click on this and you provide liquidity for each of them. All right, so that's what you just have to do. So you click on this and you provide liquidity for any of them. All right, so that's just it for this step. Now you swap from one token to the other. Okay, and you confirm transaction. It's quite straightforward. Now you have to repeat the same procedure for each of these tokens. For each of them, you have to repeat the procedure again for each of them. As you can see on my screen, I've already done the swap for each token. All right, I've done the swap for each token. Now you have to repeat it and make exactly the same swap you see. All right, you have to make exactly the same swap. Now remember, you have only 0.5 ETH from the faucet you requested earlier, and it might not be enough, so make sure you wait for 24 hours. Note, where we requested for tokens here, tokens are given every 24 hours on this website. Is every 24 hours. Okay, so just remember you have just 0.5 ETH. All right, now after you successfully completed the testnet, and if you go back to your shell points, once you are done with trade here, once you are done with trade with swapping from one token to the other and providing liquidity, once you are done with each of them, you head over to shell points and you see your points here. You see your points here. Let's wait for it to come. Now this is my shell points. I have 1,807. I think at the beginning of this video it was 1,700 thereabouts. All right, so you see my shell points here. Now just refresh the page each time and you see your shell points increasing. Okay, so that's just it for shell protocol. It's quite simple and easy to use. I hope you like this video, and drop a comment if you don't understand. Okay, I'm willing to answer each and every one of you. Just drop a comment, like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be dropping more content for you guys. Okay, so see ya in the next video.